I am going to show how to replace the battery in a Chevy Equinox key fob. This key fob is from a 2020 Chevy Equinox LT. You will need a 2032 lithium battery and a knife. Begin by removing the inner key from the housing. Note the silver button on the side in this location. Using your thumb, press this button and then withdraw the inner key in this manner and set the key aside. Next, grab the housing with one hand and insert the knife blade into the seam on the corner of the housing. Now, pry the housing open with a slight turn of the blade. Continue separating the two sections with your fingers in this manner. This exposes the battery. Before continuing, note its orientation. In this case, the negative side of the battery is facing up. You will need to remember this when installing the new battery. Next, use the point of the knife blade to pry out the old battery from the housing. Remove this battery and insert the new battery in this manner. Seat the battery into the housing with a gentle press. It should snap right into place. Next, mate the sections together starting with the key end. Make sure the button is placed in its notch. Then, squeeze the opposite ends with your thumb and finger, snapping them back into place. And finally, return the inner key back into the housing, making sure it is seated into place. The key fob is now ready to use.